Good morning, dear children. Welcome to my class. Today's lesson is chapter 5, money. See, we need money to buy things, isn't it? And in India, in our country, the currency used. What's the meaning of currency? The money used. The currency used is rupee. Okay, and which all types of notes we have in our use? Which all types of notes? We have the 100 rupee note, 50 rupee note, 10 rupee, then 20 rupee, then 5 rupee, and 200 rupee note, 500 rupee note, and 2000 rupee note, etc. etc. Isn't it? And the coins we use. We have the 10 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 1 rupee coin. When we were children, there were the 25 paise coin, then 50 paise coin, okay, 10 paise coin. Nowadays they are not in use. We have the 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupee, 10 rupee coins are commonly in use. Okay, now you tell me one thing. I want 10 rupee and I have some coins with me. In which all ways I can make rupees 10 with the coins? See, the coins commonly used are 10, 5, 2 and 1. In order to make 10 rupee, which are options we have? 10 rupee, okay? To make 10 rupee, we can have two 5 rupee coins. Rupees 5 and this make 10. Then we can have 2 rupee coins, 5 in number. Let us take 2 rupee coin, 5 in number. Rupees 2, rupees 2, rupees 2, rupees 2, rupees 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This is again 10. Then the next option 1 5 rupee and 2 rupees. 2 രൂപയുടെ 2 coin. അപ്പോൾ എത്രയായി? 5 rupees. Then 2 rupee coin 1, second 2 rupee coin. So in order to make 10, I need 1 rupee, isn't it? So 1 rupee coin. This is again 10. And any other option, we can have 1 rupee coin, 10 in number. Okay, or 2 rupee coins and the rest 6 rupee in 1 rupee coin. So we can have so many options to make a particular amount, the same amount, different combinations. Okay, now tell me one thing. See, in order to make 5 rupee, in order to make 5 rupee, which combination you can have with the least number of 2 rupee coin and 1 rupee coin? There is no 5 rupee coin in our hand. We have only 2 rupee coin and 1 rupee coin. 2 rupee coin and 1 rupee coin. Okay, only. And we have to make 5 rupees. Least number of coins. First, let us consider different options. എന്തൊക്കെയാണ് നമ്മുടെ ഓപ്ഷൻസ്? നമുക്ക് 1 rupee coin 5 എണ്ണം എടുക്കാം അല്ലേ? 1 rupee coin 5 എണ്ണം എടുക്കാം. ഫൈവ് കോയിൻസ് വരുന്നുണ്ട് നമുക്കിപ്പോൾ. ഇനി 2 rupee coin എടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിലോ 2 rupee coin എടുക്കാം. Okay, we can have 2 rupee coins. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് എത്രയായി? It is rupees 4 ആയി. നമുക്ക് rupees 5 ആണ് വേണ്ടത്. ഇനി എന്ത് ചെയ്യും? ഒരു 1 rupee coin കൂടെ എടുക്കാം. Okay, അപ്പോൾ ഇത് coins. 2 rupee, 2 rupee and 1. പിന്നെ നമുക്ക് എന്ത് ഓപ്ഷൻ എടുക്കാം? We can have a single 2 rupee coin and 3 1 rupee coins. അല്ലേ? ഇതും ഒരു ഓപ്ഷൻ ആണ്. So in order to make 5 rupee, we have only 2 rupee coin and 1 rupee coins. We have to find the least number of coins that can be used. Least number of coins. അപ്പോൾ ഇതിലെ ഏത് ഓപ്ഷൻ എടുക്കും നമ്മൾ? We will choose this option. അല്ലേ? Okay. Let us move to another problem. So നമ്മളുടെ money chapter we have reached half the section. Let us move to the next section. It is addition of different amounts. Okay, sometimes see when we go for shopping, നമ്മൾ ഒരു കടയിൽ പോയാൽ we will buy several things അല്ലേ? നമ്മൾ ഒരുപാട് സാധനങ്ങൾ വാങ്ങിക്കും. എന്നിട്ട് നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യും? How do we give the final? How do we pay? Like the shopkeeper will tell us the total amount, and according to that we select the rupees or coins and we will pay. Okay, now let us move to the next section. It is the addition of money. It is a question taken from page number 134. Second question in exercise 5.1. Please take page number 134. Exercise 5.1. Ankita bought a muffler for rupees 35 for her friend Lekha. Ankita bought a muffler. Cost of the muffler rupees 35 and a scarf for her another friend Malobika. The scarf cost rupees 38. So which all item? A muffler of rupees 35 and a scarf of rupees 38. How much money did she pay for the two items? The amount she has to pay for the two items. How do you find it? So the cost of the muffler is rupees 35. The cost of the muffler rupees 35. She bought two items, muffler and scarf. Cost of the muffler rupees 35 and the second item it's a scarf for rupees 38. The next item cost rupees 38. So how much did she pay for the two? എത്ര amount ആണ് രണ്ടിനും കൂടെ കൊടുക്കേണ്ടത്? So what will we do? We have to find the total amount. We have to find the sum. For that we need to add the amount. Let us give a plus. Let us add the amount. 35 plus 38. Ones place digit, tens place digit. 8 plus 5. What is 8 plus 5? It is 13. 3 and 1 there. Then 3 plus 3. It is 6. 6 plus 1. 7. So the total cost is rupees 73 for the two item of her scarf. Who Ankita has to pay rupees 73. Is it okay? Is it easy? One more problem. Shilpa bought certain things from a grocery shop. They are salt for rupees 5, then jam for rupees 28, then rice for rupees 50 and vegetables for rupees 55. So from a shop she bought these items. Which are they? Salt, jam, rice and vegetables. How much money did she pay to the shopkeeper? So for finding the amount she paid, you have to add the different amounts, isn't it? Which are they? First one, salt for rupees 5. Then next one is jam for rupees 28. And we have rice for rupees 50. Last and final, vegetables for rupees 55. Let us add add the first two numbers. 5 plus 8, it is 13. Write 13 here. Okay. It will help you in adding. 5 plus 8, 13. Then 13 plus 5. 13 mind and 5 in finger. 13 plus 5. What is it? Answer 13 plus 5. 18. 8 here. 1 here. Okay. Then we have 5 plus 5. It is 10. So let us write 10 here. Then 10 plus 2. What is 10 plus 2? 11, 12. 12 there and 12 plus 1, 13. The total amount is 138. It is 138. Okay. Let us move to the next section. It is the subtraction of money. See, we have learned addition of money. Next, subtraction of money. Okay. It is from page number 136. Again, two problems in the textbook. Enough statements are given. You need only write the statements like a fill up. You need only write the correct amount. Okay. Amit wants to buy 1 dozen marbles. Amit wants to buy 1 dozen marbles. They cost rupees 42. But Amit has only rupees 35 with him. He do not have the total amount with him. He has only rupees 35. So how much more does he need to buy the marbles? The cost of the marbles rupees 42 and Amit has only rupees 35. With the amount 35, can he buy the marbles? He cannot, isn't it? Because cost of the marble is rupees 42. So he needs some money, some more money. How much more he needed? For that, how will you do? 42 rupees in the marble set. 35, have only 35 in hand. The amount he needed more. Amount needed more. It is subtraction, isn't it? So rupees 35. The statements given are, statement given to you is cost of the marbles. Cost of the marbles is equal to rupees 42. The second statement, amount Amit has. Amit has only rupees 35, isn't it? Amount, the difference in amount needed to buy the marbles. The difference in amount. രണ്ട് amountകളുടെ വ്യത്യാസം ഇനി എത്ര കൂടുതൽ വേണം to find it. That is equal to rupees 42 minus rupees 35. Rupees 42 minus rupees 35. How to find it? You have to start see. We can do this here by doing subtracting in the working column or with the help of your fingers. Okay, it's a mental calculation. You can calculate the difference in your mind itself. You need not use the working column. But if you want to use the working column, we will. It is 42 minus 35. How to do it? Do the subtraction. You cannot do the subtraction. 2 minus 5. For that we need the borrowing method, isn't it? Let us make it 12. Now it is 12 minus 5. That's equal to 7. Okay. Now we have only 3 here. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. He needs 7 rupees more. He needs rupees 7 more. Otherwise, I will do 35. Start counting from 35. Start counting from the next number of 35. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. 7 അല്ലേ? നമുക്ക് ചെറിയ ഡിഫറൻസ് ഉള്ള നമ്പേഴ്സ് നമുക്ക് ഫിംഗർ കൊണ്ട് തന്നെ നമുക്ക് അറിയാൻ പറ്റും ബൈ കൗണ്ടിങ്. അല്ലെങ്കിൽ you can make use of the working one. There again, Amit need rupees 7 more to buy the marble of rupees 42. Okay, let us move to the next problem. Latif has rupees 77 in his piggy bank. Latif is a good boy. He got the habit of collecting money. He has a piggy bank and only rupees 77 in the piggy bank. How much more does he need to make rupees 100? The rupees 100 are how much more needed? എത്രയാണ് നമ്മുടെ target? Target is rupees 100 and now we have only 77 in hand. How to find how much money needed more? How to do it? It is the subtraction method. So the statements given there. The statements given are amount Latif has. Amount Latif has said rupees 77. And second statement you can refer the textbook page number 136. Second problem. Amount he wants to make. അവൻ എത്ര രൂപയാണ് അവന്റെ ടാർഗറ്റ് മണി കളക്ട് ചെയ്തിട്ട് എത്ര രൂപ അവൻ ഉണ്ടാക്കണം? rupees 100 അല്ലേ? rupees 100. Then third and final statement, amount required. നമുക്ക് വേണ്ടത് എത്ര രൂപ കൂടുതൽ വേണം? amount required. അല്ലെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് എഴുതാം the difference in amount needed വേണമെങ്കിൽ എഴുതാം just like the first problem or simple sentence amount required is equal to എങ്ങനെ കാണണം? ഈ more എന്നുള്ള concept വരുമ്പോൾ make use of the operation subtraction. 100 that is again rupees 100 minus rupees 77. Rupees 100 minus 77, there are large amounts and big difference between them, so cannot use the fingers. Make use of your working off. Rupees 100 minus 77. How to do it? Let us do the borrowing. Making this a 0 and this is a 10. Then again here the ones place is only 0. So again make this 10 as a 9 and the last ones place digit 10. Okay, from 1 is given to the tens place digit, making the 100 place digit a 0. Tens place digit will become 10. Again 1 is given to the ones place digit, making the tens place digit a 9. Ones place digit is 10. Now 10 minus 3 is equal to 10 minus 7 is equal to 3 and 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. So the money he needed more is rupees 23. Okay. Now we have few more problem in our revision exercise. So we will do them in our online session and rest in homework. So thank you and bye bye.